What's going on, guys? Nick here. Today we're talking about how I took a $1,050 deposit, turned it to $25,000 within 2 weeks. And I have full, complete proof. The first thing we're going over is exactly that, proof that it was withdrawn on a live account with both videos, screenshots, bank transfers, you name it. From there, we're going to talk about the software a little bit. We're going to go over a couple different things, what it might mean to you if you're interested in the software, stuff like that. So first thing I want to do is just dispel any doubt in your mind that this may be demo or it might not be real, anything like that. So the first thing I'm going to show you is a video. This is live from my phone. It shows the trades that I've taken to get to the 25,000 mark. I had originally had about 30,000 in profit. I'm going to pause it right here for you. I had about $30,000 in profit, all said and done. I gave a little bit back on a bad trade. That's fine. You know, it's not yours till you take it out of the markets. Here I'm using very large lot sizes. That is part of the core components of the algorithm. One of the reasons why you can be so profitable is because you can use such large lot sizes because you have virtually no drawdown. You have perfect entries. You're accounting for very small margins of errors. You're out of a trade within, 5, 10, 15, 20 pips. Anywho, the whole 1% of your account thing, it's not realistic. It doesn't work. Anybody who's telling you that is just stringing you along for the most part. 1% might work for a $100,000 account, but let's be real here, folks. You have a $100 account. You have a $1,000 account. You need to risk more than 1%, a dollar, $10 per trade. You can be trading forever if you're trying to make, 1% per trade. But yeah, using the algorithm, able to use these massive lot sizes, put on a ton of risk. You know when you're getting in, you know when you're getting out. Demonstrate that a little bit later. Well, let's continue here. So show you the back end of my MT4 app. Its actual name. It's a live server. This is my account number. I use LMFX. And then I even go to my profits for the week. From here, you can see the trades that I take to make the profit that I have earned. You can see me playing around with the deposit bonus a little bit. Basically, for every dollar you have that you put in, they'll give you 100% bonus. So if you put in $1, they'll give you $1. So they'll say your account's at $2. But don't be mistaken, that's not actually money you keep. When you withdraw it, it's taken back unless you meet their guidelines. But that involves a lot of trading and stuff. But basically, my strategy in this case was to use that bonus continuously to give me that leverage to place those big lot sizes. So a lot of the time you'll see me make an initial deposit, have a winning trade, pull my money out, drop it back in, and get the full bonus again to continue to boost my account lot size as it grows. So that's that. Next, I have the withdrawal confirmations. It's from LMFX. Here's my broker. First withdrawal was $10,000. It's been requested. Great, fantastic. And then the second one I do for $15,000, which was kind of a mistake. If you're withdrawing large amounts from the foreign exchange brokers to like a bank account, you really want to keep it at $10,000 or less. Anything above 10,000 starts to get flagged and you can run into issues. But in my case, it just took a couple extra days to get to me and it came out just fine. And to dispel any further, it's not real. Here's literally a screen cap of my bank account. This is the money hitting September 18th, 2019. That's the first $10,000. They took out a fee for the bank, obviously. And then the second one comes right in behind it. A few days later, September 23rd, at your $15,000 mark, which after fees for me, it's more closer to $14,009. Just another example that I like to do is when I'm using this software, I like to tell you that you can take a small amount and turn it into a very large amount. So a lot of the time you'll see me just start with something small, something realistic, $500, $1,000, $200. I'll do an account flipping challenge, and I'll stream it live. I'll display it for everybody to see, and you can just see in just a few trades you can really make a huge impact on your trading account and be able to increase your account value very quickly using the algorithm. Here I do $500. It's a $500 bonus. Remember, bonus isn't actually yours. Take 3 cells. They all run for about 25, 30 pips. Take a clean profit, $718, and we're off. Your account's now worth, the 500 plus the 718. And just a quick picture of one of the clients I've worked with. This is Alexandra. In our team, you have me, you have one of my top students, Andrew, who's taken a lot of money and flipped it into large amounts. And you also have Adam, and they all spoke to Alexandra and convinced her to purchase the algorithm software. She's also very excited and looking forward to making a ton of money and much more than her monthly wage. But yeah, honestly, guys, it's as easy as that. There's no tricks, there's no gimmicks. I've shown you all the proof possible. This is much more proof than, say, faking a Excel spreadsheet or something like that, or here's my history, but have you withdrawn it? None of your gurus, none of your mentors have actually withdrawn that money. Show me when it hits your bank. Show me the emails, confirmations from your broker. Show me the live proof of a video on your phone where you can't fake stuff. I have that all for you. So this is the real deal. This is artificial intelligence. It's so simple to make a trade. It's so simple to use the software. It's totally worth it. I'd be shocked if you purchased this software and you were disappointed. I have an amazing success rate. I have a 100% success rate right now with all my students. You get my guidance. You get my support. I'm around 24/7. I'm happy to sit down with you, plan your first few trades, help you through your next few that you take on your own, get you a plan in place to help you grow your account in some sort of linear fashion where you're allowing yourself to risk more than you've ever risked, but you're knowing that you're not going to be sitting in a trade for long. You're not going to be letting it draw down, 50 pips or so that a lot of traders that will trade usually use. They're quote unquote swing traders. But yeah, guys, software is real easy. It just plots 2 sets of lines. You got red lines, you got green lines. Reds are lows, greens are highs. What does that mean? When you're using artificial intelligence, the algorithm software is looking back through all your data and saying, I found highs from, daily, weekly, monthly, yearly levels. I found lows from daily, weekly, yearly, monthly levels. And when those line up, these lines get drawn. So if you take your mouse, put it over the software, that's exactly what you're going to find. It's going to see, a low from a year ago. It's a yearly and a weekly low. And what do you do to trade that? You're just waiting for 2 confirmations on the line. Red doesn't particularly mean sell. Green doesn't particularly mean buy. You're just waiting for a double touch. I call it a Z pattern. Do 2 touches and it just takes off whatever direction it's going. If it's above the line, touches twice, it's a buy. If it's below the line, touches twice, it's a sell. You're going to see that multiple times a day. Your success rates, your accuracy is going to go through the roof, over 80% in most cases. And it's as simple as that. So price literally would just come through a line, touch it once, right? Touch it twice, you take your trade, throw in the buy because it's above the line, and see you later. You're off to the races. Easy as that. And if you go through your charts and you're looking through all your different pairs, you're going to see tons of opportunity to scalp, swing, whatever it might be, do high lots, small lots, demo, whatever you want to do to get comfortable. It's literally there's just 1 touch, 2 touches, you take the sell, you're in profit. Easy as that. Account pretty much trades itself at that point. You just put your stop loss, at profit, in profit, at break even, whatever it might be. But literally, you're going to get pop-ups on your screen too. Software is so smart, it's going to tell you when to take the trades and which pairs to take a look at. It's going to be a quick little window on your MT4 panel. It's going to have the screen pop up for you and just alert you to which pairs are important. But it's easy as that, guys. Just 1 touch, 2 touches, takes off. See you later. Pretty much 0 drawdown here. You could put a massive lot size. This could be easily 4, 5, 6 lots, whatever it might be, in relation to your account size. Go crazy. And as you're just scanning through the charts, you're just going to see tons and tons and tons of setups. So much opportunity. Here's a great buy setup. Comes down, touches once, touches again. See you later. It's a buy. Price is above the line. You buy it. That's it. Easy as that. That's three potential trades in one day, with plenty of more opportunity and options to come. Just got to keep your eyes open, be patient, looking for the next trade. But that's all, guys. Thank you for watching the video. Questions, comments, concerns, feel free to reach out to me. Catch you later.